Pero that's good though. Controversial.
And then,
I...
what is the meaning? What? Really?
Bye.
Watch this.
Bye.
I'll copy. Copy.
Bye.
So,
Oh!
hello. OOA.
Hey loves! So today I have here my best friend since 11th grade.
Hi guys. Hi vlog.
So today we are here sa corner house and we figured to like do a little Q&A. Woo! Woo! We're gonna be answering random questions that's like controversial. It's about lifestyle ganon. Chika lang.
Okay, sige,
Yes.
sige. First question.
Bakit ang pangit mo? What did you think you'd be when you were younger versus now? Siguro ako, maganda.
The fuck? Serious answer. Okay, nung bata kasi ako, I wanna be a chef because my dad is a
Talaga?
chef. And then, naging gusto ko maging coach ng volleyball kasi I was a volleyball player. But then in the future, I
Plastic
just
ka
wanna
kasi.
be a simple citizen.
Citizen!
No, like a diplomat.
Spell diplomat.
I wanna be a chef na.
Yung ano, pa-open.
Okay.
Okay, next question. What's your type? Do you fall fast or take your time in love?
Well, honestly, I don't wanna be cancelled. But then,
the nature.
fall fast. So ugali ko kasi,
Oh,
fall
weird.
fast. But then, gusto ko take my time to love. Like,
Or
salt
two?
burn.
Slow burn.
Ah,
Ano
slow.
slow burn? Salt burn.
Salt burn. Ikaw. Di ba
ako,
date to America?
Yes.
And then what
Actually,
happened?
wala. No, kasi for me, I'm really date to marry eh. Like for long term. Like all of my relationships, long term talaga ako. Me, I really take my time in love. Especially, yeah, I really take my time in love kasi I really want to get to know the person. And especially if like that person is like the person I'm gonna spend the rest of my life with. So yeah, I don't fall fast. I take my time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like, a little trivia. Grade 11? Grade 12 ba? 11. Grade 12. Tagal nila nag-meet nung last guy niya. And then, ako yung nagreto. And then,
Really?
yeah, I told you may gwapo from other section. And then, di ba? Tapos at first, ayaw niya pa dun sa guy.
Yes.
Kasi mahilig siya sa pangit, guys.
Wait, who is this ba?
Ha?
Sino to? Isa-sensor to. Ah.
Okay. Tapos, malaman ko, sila na pala. So, and then, yung mga na-date yung guys, it's either maliit sa kanya or pangit. But, one of them is my best friend kasi dati, I think, we're low-key friends na lang. Hindi na siya best. Wow.
Really?
Yeah.
This is good. It's like low-key tastes like cinnamon.
What song or artist feels like you as a person?
Rihanna, where have you been in my life?
Honestly, I saw you as Rihanna.
Really?
Like, yeah. Aww.
To me naman, I see you as, sex bomb. Like, parang street style, like hip-hop, ganun song.
Oh!
Ganun. Yeah.
Chris Brown.
Oh,
Chris Brown. Okay.
Ano songs niya?
Oh,
I'm
oh.
gonna make you wet to bed.
Guys, I'm a virgin.
Talaga?
Hindi. Guys, sana mag-viral to. Pag nag-viral to, mamimigay ako ng 1 million.
What's the personality trait you've grown into? Ano meaning na?
Tanongin ko. This question is... Sino gumawa dyan? Daming ano.
I've been through like a lot of things in the past. I've learned how to like be more, to have more empathy and sympathy. I just wanna be better. Walang guguna.
Walang manonood ito.
Before like I've really like had a very complicated childhood. No. Junior high school. Like it was a very like confusing era for me, and I learned so many things, and like I made so many mistakes with those lessons. I've learned how to like be more
In OB?
huh?
You're OB.
Yeah, OB in OB kasi I studied.
OB girl, yeah.
Yes,
OB guy ni bro. Why OB?
kasi I'm rich eh.
No, and what I mean, what is the meaning of OB?
Operation
Oh.
Brotherhood. Oh.
Wow, alam niya.
I grown into like a more like empathetic and sympathetic and
Mine is extroverted. Wow. Okay, extroverted. Facts. Hey guys, magchichinito walker sa kami. Lalakarin ni Alexis Pauwi. Pumunta siya na Australia para lang magpakain ng kangaroo.
It's katabi ko.
Tapos umuwi na siya kasi daw mainit. Nalang doon siya sa room niya kasi may aircon. Tapos next year pumunta siya sa Iceland kasi gagawa siya halo-halo. Next year naman sa China kasi kain siya ng siomai. What advice would you give your grade 11 self?
When I was in 11th grade, tomboy pa.
Wala siyang pake, tomboy lang siya. Tapos nung grade 11, has a boyfriend, but then yung boyfriend niya, masyadong sensitive with guys. So parang hindi siya nakipag-friends.
Should have told my grade 11 self to like hope like not get into a relationship like really early, and because that relationship really taught me like so much stuff eh. Pero I wish like I put myself like out there more kasi school uwi. I was able to like enjoy
For a year, di ba?
For a year. I only like got to like enjoy myself nung grade 12 ako.
Like imagine mo na hindi siya nakipag-socialize cause ayaw ng boyfriend niya. That's so toxic, bro.
Yes. I didn't study much for chemistry. Ayun, dahil doon.
Nasingit mo pa yun, ha? And take it slow. Wah, take it slow. Take it slow, lagi late sa class. Also, no, grade 11, since it's my first time, like, being in a LaSalle school. So, hindi ako masyado nakapag-focus sa... And then, yun, study more. Kasi di ako masyado nakapag-study nung grade 11 because I had too much fun. Focus ako sa volleyball, sa sports, and sa
Pero that's good
other activities. Then, my friends, hindi naman bad influence friends ko, but then, we always hang out kasi, and then, nakakatamad pumasok. Ay, hindi siya nakakatamad. I like going to school because my friends. Pero I don't like going to school to study. Gets ba? Yeah, facts.
What's one intention you're setting for this next chapter?
Have a bad intention.
I just closed the chapter last year. I wanted to like be more grounded. So work, model, content creation, influencing, and education. I'm trying to build my career. Like
What's
have
your main focus?
Ganda. Focus ko, of course, top one is education. Kasi I really want to graduate with Latin honors talaga. That's why I'm focused there.
Bawal American. Mine, first is school. I wanna finish school. And then, love life, family, friends. Of course, money. Because I wanna do modeling. Actually, right now, we practice modeling.
What was our most unhinged high school phase? Saan dalawa? Only like got really close last few months of grade 12.
Di
Kasi
talaga. Siya talaga unang kong friend sa LCH. Lumayo lang siya.
yes,
Because of
the boyfriend.
love of friend.
Actually, di ko nga boyfriend yun eh.
Kamukha naman ni Ratutu.
Became close to grade 12, like late months of grade 12. Pero nag-click talaga kami, like super duper click. Like, nag-reconnect kami, tapos like,
Nag-reconnect kayo?
tayo.
Tayo.
Ang pinaka-unhinged high school phase, skip na nga natin to. Nakakatamad mag-explain.
Meron talaga sila naintindihan sa mga
We had so much fun in grade 12. Ano kami, favorite moments ko when we were in grade 12, like, during recess.
Ay, di ba we do TikToks before we go to school?
Oo, recess. Recess talaga, super fun. Kasi,
I know.
kasi nag-iikot-ikot kami sa cafeteria, gano'n. Tapos, like, we talk to random people. Tapos, like, he introduced me to, like, a lot of his friends. Tapos, sabi ko, hi, what's up? Yeah.
And you know, nung grade 11 and 12 kami, like, school bus girlish siya, bro.
Yes, kaya...
Siya lang yung naka-school service. At sila gagala siya, nasa school service.
Totoo.
Ay, tapos you know, nung naging, like, nung nag-reconnect kami, natid ko siya sa school service. Tapos, nag-run siya dun sa driver.
So,
Ano ulit pangalan ng driver mo?
I don't know, forgot. That was during... Okay.
Oh,
What's your comfort movie or show you can watch forever? Devil Wears Prada.
Emily West Panoorin siya GMA. Emily in Paris. Because ano, lahat nung nahihit up ni Emily.
I
Lahat,
never watched that. I haven't watched that pala.
really? It's so nice.
Yeah. Talaga?
Lahat ng nahihit up niya, lahat.
Oh, it's like me.
Pangit talaga yung hihit up mo. I swear to God.
I'm very choosy, pero
Oh, juicy ka pa niyan, ha?
hindi kasi, basta,
Boyfriend reveal daw, yung IG.
sige.
Pina-follow niya pa rin kasi she's stupid.
Oh, hindi na.
Weh?
Hindi. Next. Your love language has changed since I...
Oh, okay. Masaya to, masaya.
Acts of service? Remember yung sa first? Ako lang yung gumagasa.
Alam mo ba, gusto niya ng water. Tapos ano, like, water lang, hindi pa siya mabila ng boyfriend niya. Pero may pambili ng bike.
Ay, oo. Weird. Something about me, I love, like, giving gifts to people I love.
Pero after that, yung best friend namin naging fling-fling niya. Puppy love. Kasi mukhang puppy.
That's the person.
Bigyan siya ng lipstick. What lipstick is that? What
Girl,
brand?
yun.
Oh, di ba? It's expensive with her name. Tapos after week, wala na sila.
For that kasi, we were like, tropa-tropa.
Tapos ngayon, tropa-tropa. And then, nung hinatid nila ako sa Bulacan, sila na magkasama. Pag-uwi nila, sila na. Alam mo ba, namangga nung guy yung car nila.
Tapos, yung other guy tumulong. It's more likely to embarrass themselves in public. Ito.
Yan, kung sa... Weirdo ba ko eh.
What's one thing you learned from a past... ikaw na to, ikaw na.
Akin na yung vlog. Usap tayo. Mga bukas.
What's one thing you learned from a past situationship or relationship?
Be
Go.
patient.
Talaga.
Hindi talaga. Be patient because I
Talaga?
always love bomber kasi ako. That's my red flag. Like, honestly.
Ah.
And then, like, sobrang red flag ko, yung relationship ko, di siya tumatagal a week. Like,
Yes.
pinakamatagal ko is first week.
Yes.
Nagpapakilala ko sa kanya kasi kala ko,
Yes.
this is it.
Yeah.
This is really it. Be grateful. Oh, grateful. Sham. And be choosy. Wow, choosy. Vlogging. Look. We're vlogging.
Say hi, Ari.
Hey, hi.
Love Adi. He's so pogi. Pogi na mga ex niya.
And then love.
Alam mo,
No. Kasi, like,
one thing you've learned
hindi kasi, like, yung mga past ko kasi, yeah, there's love. But then, parang, I choose them because they're attractive. Like, not physically lang.
he's a user.
Parang attachment, something. But then, there's love.
There's
Take it serious. Ikaw.
transparency, accountability, solid.
Ikaw lang mga kurakon, bro.
To me, things I've learned, kasi I was really toxic then at some point kasi I have avoidant attachment. And that's like my number one problem. Like when something's bothering me, like, alam mo yung parang wag na, okay na. Tapos like, yung mood ko parang, irritable pa rin ako.
Wait
So-
lang. Yung ano ba, yung past, what do you
Yes.
call this?
Oo.
Yung past na what happened to you. Di ba nga, like super, like sensitive mo sa mga ganon. And then, it happened. Ano ba siya? Paano mo siya iti-take? Like,
Die.
parang mas magiging sensitive ka pa in the future pag nagkaroon ka ng
Hindi.
boyfriend or mas ililas mo yung
Ilalas.
pagka-seloso mo?
I'm not a selosa talaga. If naging boyfriend kita, you'd know.
Yeah, but then, naging selosa ka lang cause, may
Hindi.
nagawa siya.
Hindi naman. Kasi, I'm not a selosa. I feel na there's something. Like, my gut never lies.
Sa time na parang pinagbibintangan mo siya, tapos di naman pala nangyayari.
Apologize. Let me...
Do you know, do you know how to say sorry?
Basta have accountability. Hindi sapat yung love for me.
Respect.
Yes, respect, honesty, equality, equity.
Hindi,
That's right.
Hindi, actually, pag
Accountability.
naman, if you have respect, parang lahat na magagawa mo eh. Siyempre, because you
Talaga.
respect the people, and the nation. To respect your partner, parang syempre, matatakot ka na, like, gawin yung mga hindi dapat gawin. Right?
Yes.
Right. Facts.
5 years, what do you hope a normal day looks like? I really want to be a rich tita.
Ako diplomat, uuwi with my family, and then we're gonna spend time together. Do you see yourself living in the Philippines long term or somewhere else? I wanna live like in the US. Bye guys. Sa Philippines naman, I wanna live sa Subic since there's a city life and there's like a province life. Ibang bansa, I wanna live sa Florida. Wala kayong pake, huwag na kayo magtanong bakit. Bye guys.
Hi guys.
Watch this.
So, bye.
Watch this.
Bye.
Bye bye. I'll cover it. Cover it.
Bye.